Hey guys, welcome to the video, and as you can see I have a DJI Air 2S right in front of me, and here in this video I'm gonna go over this really cool gadget that you must buy to kind of protect your drone and the propellers of it. So I posted a video of my drone when second day when I was flying it. The first day was fine. Second day when I was trying to track me, this thing went sideways, and if you know that these drones don't come with sideways sensors, they have sensors in every direction except for the sides. So it hit one of the poles. So what happened is it hit the propeller and it showed me impact detected, and I have a video footage from when that happened, and it basically bent in a little bit, but unaffected actually. So still flies with minimal problem, but it did get a little bit dented and scratched up. So basically, to kind of prevent these kind of things, we have this product here that I got off of Amazon, and I've seen a lot of people actually using it. There were a bunch that slows the aircraft down, but I tried to kind of go do a little bit of research, and this one I found to be having minimal weight and everything, just to make sure that it doesn't interfere with the performance. So I don't know why the Ziploc bag is open. Probably doesn't matter too much, but they're pretty light, so it shouldn't be a problem. And they also give you a picture with how to assemble them, and nothing else is in the box. So first what you're going to do is grab two pieces and you're going to connect them. So you're going to connect like from here to here, the sides that are open, kind of like clips in, so you're going to have to push one in and insert, and then it should click right in, and you would see there's like a little opening here, and you would see once it's actually in place. Then we have clips on two ends, and then we're just gonna basically pull the clips open. Now when you have this on, you can't obviously fold it and put it away, because these are pretty big stuff. So what you're gonna have to do is take them off every time you're done shooting. So they gave a box. I think this is a perfect box to just keep these stored in, and kind of like throw it in your book bag or something. I'm definitely probably going to be using this a lot. I'm not sure yet, but this is definitely a good idea to store these in. So basically just gonna pop them in, and if you just pull it, it comes right off. It's not like that good quality of stuff, but I can't blame it for being so lightweight and everything. Kind of works out. So what you're gonna have to do is, attach it to the drone. This is gonna be a little tough, so let me see. It shouldn't be tough at all, actually. So because this is designed to kind of get it in and out. So this is the position of the drone. If I have this, it goes somewhat like this. So I'm basically gonna put the leg through this. I'm doing the wrong way. Yep. So one side should go right through the leg, and there you go. Yep, this side works. So everything should kind of work together. There you go. The light kind of fits right in, like exactly. This is exactly made for this, so no compromise in any direction, just to make sure that you are doing this properly. So once we're in, we're just gonna clip it in, and as you can see already, so right now, if this is where this were to hit something, when I'm going like sideways or anything, it's not gonna hit the propellers. it's just gonna hit the casing here, which is a really good thing to have. But again, if you are going like just going and slamming into a tree or something, it's obviously not going to survive that crash because this is just for the sideway. I think you could probably find one that, you know, kind of goes all around, but I couldn't really find any myself because, you know, the sensors are so good and they work really, really well. So I don't think you really need them, but the sideway is an important thing, and it really makes a huge difference because honestly, it really doesn't work. If you try to go sideways, you're gonna hit something. So I think you know, it makes the drone look, you know, super huge and everything, but you know, with the added protection, I can't really blame it. It's really lightweight and you know, cheap plastic, but I mean, if it takes an impact and, you know, helps the drone survive crash, can't really complain, right? So this is what it's looking like right now. You know, it's pretty big, right? But doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all, actually. So if you guys have any questions and would like to see how this works out and everything, I will leave updates in the description if anything happens, and you know, that I would want you guys to know. Just check the description for updates, and if you guys have any questions, just ask me in the comment. I'll try to answer them as best as I can, and just keep watching the videos. I'll put some more links in the description for you guys to check out videos related to this drone, so you guys get more better ideas about this drone. I do have other accessories that I will go over with you guys, so just stay up, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Peace.